Happy Saturday, guys. Today I am going to Bath & Body Works. They opened at 8 o'clock. I am probably not going to be the first one there today because it's 7:56 and I'm just now getting on the road to get there. So I should be there within the next 15 minutes or less. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's going down. I'm thinking it's just probably going to be Super Saturday. They're opening up early because it's the Saturday before Christmas, and when they want to get everybody's coin, they have a little bit of coin left. But that's all right. We're still going to film in the store, and if need be, I'm really trying to see what $2 holla stuff they have, and then probably do a little $2 holla haul because I did bring my coupon, spend 10 get a free item up to $16.50. So if I find a lot of cute little stocking stuff for $2 items, it's still a win. You know, it wasn't a loss today. So we're on our way there. It is raining outside, which kind of sucks. Well, it's not really fully raining, it is misting outside. So I'll talk to you guys when we get into the store. All right, guys, so we are here. It's not a lot of people from what I'm seeing. Not even in the parking lot, not a lot of people, so that's a good thing. Isn't that cute, that tree? I love that tree. But they have candles for $12.95, so that's good. Let's see if they have any of the new ones out, because I'm tired of seeing Christmas candles at this point. Like, I am sick and tired of Christmas candles. Let it go. There is nobody here, guys. Nobody's here. Oops. And the door is still locked. And they open at 8 and the door is still locked. That's weird. So they have the little white barn things there. I don't see any amazing deals, but I'm not in there yet all the way. But they have the select items for $3, the little minis. It's after 8. I wonder where they are. I wasn't gonna let them copyright your girl. Wasn't copyrighting me today. So yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover. These are some of the new candles that just came out from the White Barn Core collection. I love the packaging. I love the different colors in it. That Pacifica Ocean Air, it smells really fresh, but it was just too much for me. So I was like, no. I already have the Boardwalk. They have Blueberry Pie. They had the stress relief ones. It was nice to see. This is one of the new ones that's gonna be coming out, and that like beach type of packaging of sand, the eucalyptus rain, and they had the watermelon lemonade up there. The watermelon lemonade packaging was so cute. I was so tempted to get that candle, but I did not. I love those packaging of the rose water and ivy, and all those were really cute. And then we had some of the winter stuff. Like, I'm so over winter stuff. Like, you gotta go. It is time to move on with this and get out of the winter candle mode, and let's get into the spring candles. So I was happy to see that they had some of the spring little minis out for $3. If you guys didn't know, we're at the outlet mall, so that's where I'm at right now. So every store will be different, every outlet is different. This is just what my outlet has out right now. So we're going to move on to the $5 items. So this is some of the stuff you're going to see at SAS. Some of it will go down to 75% off. That's why I didn't grab any of it. I just wanted to show you guys for video purposes, and then we're gonna look at some other stuff if we can get over to it. Y'all know I like to take my time and look around as I'm talking to y'all, but they have all these $3 wallflowers. Like, I think that's a good deal, $3 for wallflowers, especially when they normally go $6.50. But I didn't want any of these scents. These are the ones from fall, and they had some from winter as well, but I just wasn't into it. But this was nice $3 items. The Land of Sweets, like I told y'all, a lot of the Land of Sweets was going for $3. The bubble baths and the salts at my outlet, and they even have some older soaps going for $3 as well. And a cool little area I found is some new, okay? So I have a little review coming on this when we get to the haul part of the video. But y'all, I was surprised at one item that I really did like. Now, this is the $2 area. I'm hoping it expands and they get more by SAS. But yeah, they have the hand creams going for $2. They have mini lotions going for $2, mini body washes, and they had the 75% off stuff as well. The champagne toast, one of the favorites of all time, okay? Champagne toast. They had some of the new winter soaps as well, going for 75% off. And now we're going to the 50% off. Now, my rep told me that it's going to be a while before these go 75% off at the SAS. So I don't know to tell y'all to grab it or not. If this is something you really, really want, grab it. And then if it goes down in 14 days, get the price adjustment. But I have all of these except for one. So I might just be patient and wait because I'd rather get 75% off than 50. And this is some more stuff that's going to be at SAS right now. They're doing it for 50% off right now. So it's so cool to see some of the SAS stuff already appearing at the outlet malls. And some of you guys were telling me that some of your stores are already doing some 50% off stuff and some 75% off bins already. So that's really cool to see. And this is the older manicure, 60-second hand cream. And the Hit Refresh looks really cool. So I might get that to try that out as well. So it's pretty nice to have the whole store to myself. That was pretty cool. A lot of new stuff is already out. So y'all know I got a little haulage. So when I get in the car, I'll do the video for you guys. So we're back in the car, guys. Oh, yes. Thumbnail. Got a haul from Super Saturday for you guys. So as y'all saw, they had a lot of 75% off items. So I got 75% items to show you. Plus I got a free item. That little white barn thing was $9.50. So I was like, that's not a good use of my free item, especially since I have two of the big ones from Bath and Body Works. So I was like, no thank you. But I did get one of the new items that's going to be coming out for SAS. I got it now. And I want to just show y'all that first. So I'm not going to keep y'all waiting. So this is the Wild Lime and Gardenia. Y'all, when I tell y'all need the Wild Lime and Gardenia. It smells amazing. Again, this pretty top. And it's wrapped around like that. And the price of it says $15.50. So I don't know if they're doing a price increase or if it's just for this line. I'm not sure. But yeah, let me spray it. Y'all, this smells so good. The lime is it's a stronger lime. Oh, it smells so good. But you get that gardenia hint into it. I really like it. And another one I like that I didn't think I was going to like because I don't like rose scents, Champagne Rose. Champagne Rose, y'all, is a must. Like, it smells so good. I'm going to be getting Champagne Rose. But this Wild Lime and Gardenia, yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I love this one. You definitely, y'all, if your store has it, get it as your free item right now. So this was $15.50, but I got it for free. This was 75% off. This is the cranberry peach. It looks just like that. The notes in this is sweet peaches, tart cranberry, and gala apple. I swear this is the new packaging for this year. And they're already going 75% off. So I got one in the deep cleansing, and then I got one in the foaming hand soap because I really like this scent, and this is from White Barn. I got one champagne toast. I like champagne toast from last year a little bit better than this year because I can see where people saying the newer one has like this little musky scent to it, and this older one doesn't have it. So the notes in this is pink champagne, black currant, chambord, sparkling nectarine, sugar musk. I don't use shower gels that much, and y'all, my hands is ashy, excuse me. I don't use shower gel that much. I like the moisturizing washes, but hey, you can't be picky when it comes to champagne toast, especially the older packaging champagne toast. I love it. So it smells really, really good. And the last item is this item right here. This is the Bath Salt Soak Vanilla Bean Noel. Again, my store is doing these for $3, so why not? They're $14.50 normally. So I thought this was a really good deal. This is like, what, 75% off, right? So almost 75% off. And they smell so good. I really like this. Yes. Yeah, so I was so happy to get these ones in my collection. The only one I don't have is the blueberry. They had that, but I don't really like the blueberry shortbread, so I didn't get it. But this one is straight, so I got it. So that's everything I got, guys. My total was $46.14 before discount. After discount, of course, came all the way down after taking the 75% off and everything, and the free item. My total went down to $10.13 with tax. So whoop whoop. And I did use Ibotta so I can get cash money, so I can get cash back. So make sure if you're going to stores today, you go through Ibotta. So yeah, I did good. I did really good. I spent $10.13. and got all these items. So I'm super happy. I was hoping for a bigger sale than just having candles for $12.95, but yeah, it is what it is. It would have been cool to see a wallflower deal, but I don't need no more wallflowers right now. When the new ones come out, I'm gonna need some more. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.